Okay, so we are in superset 2 of session 4, our final 4 exercises. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go straight into a lateral lunge to get some strength and flexibility into those adductors, as well as loading those quads nicely too. Okay, so it's a tip and we reach across, shift, touch the opposite, and shift and reach. Ideally, as you shift across, you feel a stretch through the straight leg and the inner thigh, and shift across, then load the quad. Then shift across, get a stretch to the inner thigh, and load it across. We're looking at 20 of these. You see how nice and low Kim maintains the whole time through it. Nice strong back position, and that will get those legs working, and obviously get a nice bit of mobility through those hips. Okay, we're going to move into the next exercise, which is the one-legged deadlift and a fly combination. It's a vicious combo. Once again, worry less about the balance and more about the control. So you could put your foot up onto a couch, or a boyfriend or a husband or a partner, okay? And what you're going to do is a little pulse up and squeeze the shoulder blades together. Okay, so we're loading that one leg so that hamstring, glute and quad are working while we're strengthening the lower back, squeezing the shoulder blades together in the upper back to create some beautiful strength through that whole chain. Once you've done 10 of those on the one leg, you could obviously swap over to the other, but it'll be the same arms, so we get a nice bit of fatigue across the back. Okay, moving on to our next exercise. We're going to go into a press up and rotation. Once again, we're going to go drop down into a press up, and then as you come, you're going to do a nice big stretch, open up the chest, and slowly control it, bring it down until we go into the next press up, and nice big rotation. Okay, we can always modify that. Knees on the floor. Same thing, you'll notice the range might not be quite the same, but it's a lovely stretch. We're trying to open up that chest from being short behind the desk, behind the handlebars. It's also good just to open us up to make sure our postures are working well. Okay, those are our press ups. I'm going to come into our final exercise of all our strength sessions. Exercise 4 of our superset 2, and this is going to be the oblique crunch and ankle tap. Once again, for those obliques, we talk about when you're pedaling, how you use your obliques. So we're going to go into an elbow to knee and then hand to foot. An elbow to knee and hand to foot. Now just keep those legs pretty still, and we're using those obliques to get you up nice and high, elbow right across and shift in there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to test you here, anything between 10 and 20 reps with the one stance, and then swap it over, another 10 to 20 with the other stance. Okay, with each leg up in the air. You're doing 20 and 20, your abs are going to be begging for mercy, but your body will thank you. Okay, and relax. Okay, that is all of your exercises for our strength and conditioning programs. There's 4 sessions. They're going to be interspersed throughout your 8-week program, and try and be consistent. Make sure the movements are slow and controlled, and make sure you're trying to feel the fatigue in the right places. Enjoy and have fun, and enjoy making your body stronger.